Hello everyone and welcome to another live from the workshop. So today we are going to be making The Next Doctor, but this is going to be The Next Doctor from the episode The Next Doctor. This is going to be my figure of Jackson Lake. So for this I'm using a 10th Doctor head, which I've already repainted. The coat is actually from a 4th Doctor figure, although I've had to modify the back of it slightly. So I've got to be careful in how I take it off, which is why I've got the thing with the arm. But once it is off, I might as well deconstruct the figure whilst I'm doing this, because I've got to do it anyway. And, come on. I hate it when that happens. Come on, there we go. So, 4th Doctor coat. Did I just say 10th Doctor coat? If I did, I meant 4th Doctor coat. So yes, 4th Doctor coat, and then I've just trimmed the back of it to make it the right thickness, because otherwise it was standing out far too much. The body is a 8th Doctor figure. This was from a failed custom. I can't for the life of me remember what it was going to be, but that's what it was. And originally I trimmed the collar off, and I've just broken that, haven't I? Yes. Right, I'm going to have to glue that back on. I trimmed the collar off the original figure, and I moulded a new one on, but my moulding has literally just come off. So I'm going to have to get in there with a bit of glue and stick that back on. But first things first is going to be to repaint the coat orange after I've fixed the collar. So I'm going to get on to that in a minute. And here is my finished Jackson Lake figure. So, very pleased with how this has come out. I know I say that a lot, but I am very pleased with how it's come out. So, obviously, just to give you a figure breakdown again, it is overall an 8th Doctor figure with the 4th Doctor, I think Seeds of Death variant coat, and a repainted 10th Doctor head. As I said, I've had to resculpt the collar because I accidentally, well, just say accidentally, I deliberately took it off the original figure, but I accidentally took off too much, so I did have to resculpt that, but I'm very pleased with how that's come out. And obviously, I've had to trim down the back, which is pretty messy job, if I say so, but at the end of the day, you know, he's got a little bit of a hunch, but you're not going to see him from the back. He's always going to be displayed from the front, so it looks good to me. Very pleased with how it's come out. The waistcoat, to give the proper waistcoat effect, all I've done is paint it red and then just stipple it with a darker burgundy, and then obviously just added on the gold buttons and the silver chain. So yeah, really pleased with the outcome of this one. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, favourite, subscribe, share, it really helps me out a lot. And I will see you all with another video very soon.